Hey guys, this is P-Dub, Peyton White. Appreciate y'all's help. Don't know what else to do. Yes, my bike fell over. In the process of trying to change oil, get ready for the Flint Oak meet. And so let me show you what's going on here. I'll go ahead and turn the key on and show you that just the lights flash. So just turn the key on, starts flashing the lights. The EHC down here, that's what it's doing. Okay, and now I'll hit the run and try to start it. Nothing. Take my voltmeter here, put it across the terminals. Plenty of volts. There should be hardly any current draw. So if I had leaked out a lot of fluid, that would be dying on every cart or every LED flash, even though those don't pull much current. I don't know what else to do. I'm thinking about taking out the battery and maybe trying a different one. Let me see what y'all think. Peace.